Gus Schmidt back with a new trading video. So today I'm going to be trading on the pocket option platform, and I'll be trading OTC currency pairs, and I'm going to be utilizing two indicators. The first indicator is the moving average. So you'd go into click on your settings here. Click on your indicators and click on moving average. And the second is the Vortex indicator. The second indicator I'm using is a Vortex indicator. Okay, so for the moving average indicator, I'm going to be setting the period to 20 WMA, which is weighted moving average. And I have the line of the moving average set to white 2 pixels. Okay, so for the Vortex now, we're going to change the period to 12. And style green, we're going to keep the style, the colors the same, 2 pixels. Okay. In addition to that, my candlestick chart is set to 1 minute candles, 1 minute regular Japanese candles. And I'm going to be taking my trade timer set to 1 minute. So I'll be taking 60-second trades. So let me pause the video and look for some setups. Okay, so I'm on the Euro New Zealand dollar OTC pair, and I just took a sell trade, a put trade. And the reason why I took the trade is, if you notice here, the red candle crosses over the 20 WMA line. So I wait for this candle to close. I waited for the candle to close, and I took a trade in the direction of the candle here, which is bearish. In addition to that, if you notice the vortex line, the green vortex line crosses the red line in a negative slope here. So let's monitor this trade and wait for the expiry. You have to wait for the candle to close under the WMA line in order to that's the first prerequisite. And then the vortex line cross. Okay, good. All right, so we won that trade. All right, so I'm going to pause the video and look for the next setup. Okay, so I'm on the Euro Swiss franc OTC pair. Similar situation. I waited for the candle to close below the WMA line. In addition to that, there was a simultaneous crossover of the green and the red vortex lines here. So let's monitor this trade and wait for the expiry. Okay, awesome. So we won that trade also. Okay. All right, so let me pause the video and look for another setup. Just an aside here, I just wanted to show you a chart where you want to avoid a consolidating market like this where there's no discernible trend and the price is bouncing up and down below that WMA line, the 20 WMA line. All right, so don't take any trades like this. All right, pause the video, look for setup. Okay, so I'm on the TND USD currency pair, and in this particular trade, I waited for the price to close above the WMA line. I was a little bit late to the trade, but also you have to have that crossover where the the green vortex line crosses the red vortex line. So let's monitor this trade, and hopefully it'll push upward here. Okay, interesting note here. That this trade broke even, and it broke even. Fortunate because I entered this trade a little late, so we didn't win anything, we didn't lose anything. All right, so let me pause the video and look for another setup. Okay, so I'm on the Euro TRY OTC pair, and I just took a buy trade here. So I waited for that crossover, the price to close above the WMA line here. In addition to that, you notice the green vortex line crosses the red vortex line. So let's monitor this trade and wait for the expiry. Okay, good. We won that trade. It was pretty close. Also, if you notice, there was a positive trend line happening with the currency pair. Okay, so let me pause the video and look for another setup. Okay, so I'm on the Euro JPY regular currency pair, and I just took a buy trade, waited for that green candle to close above the 20 WMA line. In addition to that, I feel that the crossover of the vortex lines is about to occur. So let's monitor this trade and see the results. Okay, so we have a push upwards. The vortex line crosses the green vortex line, crosses the red line. And let's wait for the expiry. Okay, great. So we won that trade also. Okay, so I decided to close out the session. If you like to give the video, give it a thumbs up, and I'll talk to you in the next video. Gus Schmidt, thank you for watching.